stop. Listen closely. This is serious, more serious than most people realize. If you've been sleeping poorly night after night, it's not just making you groggy in the morning. It could be quietly cutting years off your life. I'm not talking about a bad mood or needing an extra cup of coffee. I'm talking about the slow, invisible wear and tear on your most vital systems: your heart, your brain, your immune defenses, even your ability to repair and renew every cell in your body. Bad sleep doesn't just make you feel off, it can silently destroy the foundation of your health day after day without obvious warning signs until it's too late. But here's the part I want you to hold on to: this is not hopeless. There is one fix, one simple science backed approach that can start turning this around, no matter how long you've struggled. And we're going to talk about it step by step right now. This is not just about comfort, this is about survival, pure and simple. When you miss out on quality rest, your body isn't just a little tired, it's being pushed into a constant state of stress. If you're skipping sleep, tossing and turning, or waking up exhausted, your body is quietly paying a heavy price in ways you can't always feel right away. Every single night that passes without real recovery is a night your heart strains, your brain struggles, and your immune system weakens. And the damage? It doesn't vanish, it builds layer by layer until it starts to shape your future health. Part 1: The 4 Bad Things. 1. Your heart is under attack when you don't get enough sleep. Your blood pressure stays high for longer periods, keeping your circulatory system under constant strain. Your heart is forced to work harder than it should, even when you're at rest. And over weeks, months, or years, this extra effort wears it down. Over time, this sustained stress increases your risk of developing serious conditions like heart disease, arrhythmias, and stroke. Sleep deprivation also affects how your blood vessels expand and contract. Even just a few nights of poor rest can make your arteries less flexible and more prone to damage. This stiffness means your heart has to pump harder to move blood through your body, creating a dangerous cycle that slowly erodes cardiovascular health. 2. Your brain ages faster. Poor sleep slows down your brain's ability to process and store memories, making it harder to learn new information or recall important details. Over time, the lack of restorative rest can shrink certain areas of the brain, reducing mental sharpness and flexibility. It doesn't just cause a few groggy mornings, it disrupts the balance of brain chemicals that regulate mood, leading to more frequent irritability, sadness, and even severe mental health challenges like depression or anxiety. Chronic sleep deprivation also allows toxic proteins to build up in the brain, a factor linked to Alzheimer's disease and other forms of dementia. That's not just being a little forgetful, it's the kind of gradual, long term brain damage that can deeply affect your independence, relationships, and quality of life. 3. Your immune system weakens. When you sleep, your body produces infection fighting cells and proteins, including cytokines, which target inflammation and infection. These vital defenders are replenished and fine tuned during deep sleep. Without enough rest, production drops, and your immune response becomes sluggish. That's why people who are sleep deprived are more likely to catch colds, flu, and even experience slower recovery from injuries or surgery. Over time, chronic sleep loss can reduce the effectiveness of vaccines, making your body less prepared to fight off disease. It's like sending your immune system into battle without armor, a shield, or even the proper weapons, leaving you vulnerable when you need protection most. 4. Your body holds onto fat. Lack of sleep throws your hunger hormones, ghrelin and leptin, out of balance, making it much harder for your brain to correctly register when you've had enough to eat. You feel hungrier, and not for healthy foods. You crave calorie-dense, sugary, and salty snacks. Your metabolism also slows down as your body tries to conserve energy, storing more of what you eat as fat. Over weeks and months, this pattern makes it harder to burn fat and much easier to gain it, even if you haven't increased your calorie intake. Poor sleep can also disrupt insulin sensitivity, which increases fat storage and raises the risk of type 2 diabetes. In short, your body shifts into store mode instead of burn mode, making weight control an uphill battle. Pause for a moment and give yourself the space to really think about your last week. How many nights did you truly get deep, uninterrupted, and refreshing sleep? The kind that lets you wake up feeling clear headed and strong. How many mornings did you open your eyes and feel genuine energy for the day ahead, instead of dragging yourself out of bed? If those moments were rare, you're far from alone. This struggle is a shared one, faced by millions every single night in every part of the world. It can feel isolating, but you are part of a huge community of people trying to reclaim their rest, rebuild their health, and take back control over their lives. Part 2. 4 practical solutions. 1. Create a bedtime ritual. Your brain thrives on rhythm and predictability, which is why a consistent nightly routine can be such a powerful signal to your body. Aim to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, yes, even on weekends, so your internal clock stays steady. About an hour before bed, start sending your brain the message that it's time to slow down. Dim the lights to mimic sunset and avoid anything that feels urgent or overstimulating. Fill this time with calming, screen free activities. Read a few pages of a book, do gentle stretching to release tension, or listen to soft music or a soothing podcast. Over time, these repeated cues become a powerful association, and your body will start to recognize them as the natural signal that sleep is coming, making it easier to drift off and stay asleep through the night. 2. Protect your sleep environment. Creating the right environment in your bedroom is crucial for getting deep, restorative sleep. First, keep your room cool, ideally between 60 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 19 degrees Celsius. A cooler room helps your body lower its core temperature, which naturally signals that it's time to rest. Darkness is just as important. Even small amounts of light can interfere with your body's production of melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep. Investing in blackout curtains or using a comfortable sleep mask can block out street lights or early morning sun, helping your brain know it's time to wind down. Electronics like phones, alarm clocks, or chargers often emit small glows or standby lights that can confuse your body's sleep signals, so remove or cover these sources. Finally, if you're sensitive to sounds, try a white noise machine, a fan, or earplugs to create consistent background noise that masks disruptive sounds, helping you stay asleep through the night. 3. Cut the sleep killers. Some everyday habits quietly sabotage your sleep without you even realizing it. Take caffeine, for example. It can linger in your system for up to 10 hours after that afternoon. Coffee or energy drink. So, what feels like a harmless pick me up during the day can actually keep you tossing and turning at night. Then there's alcohol, which might help you fall asleep faster, but it disrupts the deeper, more restorative stages of sleep later on, leaving you feeling tired and unrested in the morning. And don't forget about screens. Phones, tablets, computers, and TVs all emit blue light that tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime. This suppresses melatonin, the hormone that signals it's time to sleep. To give yourself the best chance at quality rest, shut off these screens at least an hour before bedtime. Your body and mind will thank you for it with deeper, more refreshing sleep or a smart. Use light and movement. Wisely light and physical activity are two of the most powerful ways to regulate your body's internal clock, known as the circadian rhythm. Getting natural sunlight first thing in the morning helps reset this clock every day, telling your brain that it's time to be awake and alert. Even just 15 to 30 minutes outside can make a huge difference in how easily you fall asleep later. During the day, staying active is equally important. Regular movement helps reduce stress, improves mood, and promotes deeper sleep. However, avoid intense exercise right before bedtime because it raises your heart rate and body temperature, making it harder to fall asleep. Instead, try gentle activities like a short walk after dinner. This not only aids digestion, but also signals to your body that the day is winding down, helping you relax and prepare for restful sleep. Small changes like these add up to big improvements in sleep quality over time. Remember this: sleep problems are incredibly common. You are not alone in this struggle. Struggling to get a good night's rest doesn't mean you're weak or broken. Far from it. Sleep is a complex biological process, and many factors can disrupt it. Your body and mind want nothing more than to heal and restore themselves each night. They just need the right support and environment to do so. If you've been frustrated by restless nights or waking up tired, don't be hard on yourself. This is a challenge millions of people face, quietly and often in silence. But the good news is, with patience and small changes, you can reclaim your sleep and with it, your health and energy. Every small step you take toward better sleep habits counts. Whether it's cutting back on caffeine, dimming the lights earlier, or creating a peaceful sleep space, these actions add up. Over time, they help your body rebuild its natural rhythms and strength. So be kind to yourself. Keep going. Your body is ready to heal. You just need to give it the chance. And remember, you're not alone on this journey. We're in it together. The real secret to transforming your health through sleep is consistency. It's not about catching one good night here and there. True change happens when you commit to night after night of steady, deep, restorative rest. This ongoing, reliable sleep routine is what allows your body to fully repair and rejuvenate. During these uninterrupted hours, your heart has the chance to lower its workload and heal itself from the stresses of the day. Your brain clears out harmful toxins and waste products that build up during waking hours, protecting you from cognitive decline. Meanwhile, your hormones, those tiny chemical messengers that regulate everything from appetite to stress, rebalance and reset, keeping your entire system in harmony. This isn't some mystical cure or quick fix. It's pure biology, the way your body was designed to heal. Committing to this steady, consistent sleep pattern is truly the most powerful health upgrade you can gift yourself. Night by night, you build a stronger, healthier future. Bad sleep isn't just about feeling tired, it has serious consequences for your long term health. When you don't get enough quality rest, your risk of heart disease goes up significantly. Your heart has to work harder, blood pressure rises, and over time, this strain can lead to dangerous conditions like heart attacks or strokes. Poor sleep also accelerates aging in your brain. It slows down your memory, disrupts your mood, and allows harmful proteins to build up, increasing the risk of dementia and Alzheimer's. Your immune system becomes weaker, leaving you more vulnerable to infections, colds, and even slowing recovery from illnesses. And if you've been struggling to control your weight, bad sleep might be a hidden reason. It throws off hormones that regulate hunger and fat storage, making it easier to gain weight and harder to lose it. But here's the hopeful truth: you can fight back. You have the power to change this by taking simple, practical steps. Set a consistent bedtime routine that helps your body know when it's time to rest. Protect your sleep environment to make it calm and inviting. Cut out the sleep killers like caffeine, alcohol, and screen time before bed. Use natural light and gentle movement to reset your body clock. Do these things consistently, night after night, and you start changing your future, improving your heart health, brain function, immunity, and metabolism. Your health is worth it. Tonight, make a choice. Treat your sleep as the life or death priority it is. Your body will thank you, your mind will thank you, your future will thank you. And if this message hit home, share it with someone you care about. You never know, it might save their life. And if you want more science backed health tips, hit subscribe so we can walk this journey together. Sleep well, live well,